How does that song go? I'm coming in hot. Alright, here we go. Ready?
I feel like pie.
Coming in fast, maintenance vlog. Coming in hot.
I'm coming in hot.
Coming in hot. What's up, baby? What's up? What's up with you? Oh my gosh, they're so loud. Oh, do I have my headphones? Anyway, okay, so I got my Dunkin' Donuts. I got a chai tea latte and my avocado toast with bacon. Yes. Yo, if there's one thing I hate, it is rude customer service. A horrible customer service. They suck. And this latte better be good. Okay, y'all, these are the people that be laying my hair. Make sure you come, because Zeta Bomb, Bladensburg, Maryland. Dang, I did not realize how bad I look for real. So I'm just gonna keep my sunglasses on. Hopefully that help. But yeah, it's a maintenance vlog, and I'm being silly because that's the only way I can be when I have this damn phone up in the air and I'm talking to myself basically. But yeah, I'm about to get my hair done. And you know, I don't know if y'all do this, but as soon as I get paid, I'm like, what are we doing? I need to do something. I need to treat myself to something. Okay? I've been doing my hair for a long time for all my DIYers. Like, we gotta stand together. But sometimes, as a DIYer, we just want somebody else to do it. Get someone else to do it. I'm so tired of doing my hair. I feel like I'm gonna regret getting a silk press, but I don't know how else to do my hair. I don't want braids yet because my birthday is coming up. So I'm like, I'm gonna just wait to do that until like 2 weeks from now or whatever. So I'm gonna try to keep my silk press as long as I can. But you know, yeah, I just got paid. Bills I paid, phone paid, Spotify paid, rent paid, and I'm about to go get fly. I need to get fly so I can just feel better, you know? I mean, I started out with a chai latte, so I kind of feel better. I'm sleepy as hell, so I feel like I'm about to be knocked out under this dryer. What else? Yeah, I'm just like in a content making mood. I know it's been a while. I know. But I'm in a mood now, because from my last video when I went on a rant. Sorry about that, but not sorry. It's just a matter of expressing myself, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna do. But when I come back to the vloggy vlog, I am going to be looking fly, okay? So hold tight, I'll be right back. And